don't know if this is the time to tell Susie if there's something you want to bring up.
Tell me.
Okay. So, the last 8 months of us dating,
Okay.
I was saving for an engagement ring that I ended up buying, but my plan was on your family vacation, I was gonna propose under the waterfall.
Are you serious?
And we broke up before that happened.
That makes me want to cry.
When we broke up, I sold the ring and I bought a motorcycle.
Ready to go, heartbeat, my heartbeat.